Jane.
Okay, my niche is females between the age of 18 to 30 around the space of self-love, self-worth and confidence, with a lot of the pain points of I'm not good enough, things like that. I want to do a 5-day challenge as the irresistible offer, upsell into a 6-week self-love online program. I only want to do it with maybe a space of 20 to 30 people for a 6-week course, just so it's a little bit more of a trust and personal experience for everyone in the program. And then I really want a premium product, which is a workshop. Cool.
Jen, love that model. I think that's fantastic. Well done.
Cool, thanks.
No, baby.
No!
Can you see or feel how shaky my car is? Anyway, I can't remember the last thing I caught up with you guys. I think it was I had planned to go to lunch with my mentor in regards to setting up a job or some work for me. So that all went great. I am now working for my mentor. So pretty flexible hours as long as I'm working hard and hitting targets. I get to dabble in calls, sales, coaching, which is my main thing that I wanted to be a part of, and also media in terms of filming and editing and podcasts and stuff. So I've done a bit of media work for him in the past. That was his idea, not mine. So I really appreciated that he acknowledged that that's what I like to do and I'm good at. So I get to dabble in everything. It's pretty cool. So going to be a new and exciting experience for me, being aligned with him and surrounded by that team and just in the right place. You know what I mean? I get exposure to the coaching practice, and my voice is all because my car's shaking. But yeah, that's going to be super fun and exciting. It was really sad. My old boss from my previous workplace called me. He's been trying to get in touch with me for a whole week, and I've been avoiding it because I don't want to have the conversation. But finally had the conversation and said, no, thank you. I'm not coming back. It'd be silly to turn down this coaching role. So he was really sincere and really happy for me, wished me all the best, still said he's going to track me down and ask me to come back every few months, but that's all good. It was really sad to say no. I don't know why I was holding off from it for so long, but guys, I'm officially closing the door with that company, okay? Selling may happen in a year or two. But as of right now, I'm so content with where I am. I'm working I've got so much of my time focused on my courses and working on my business finally. And yeah, doing coaching experience and sales calls in the field of coaching and selling programs that I would have to do for my own business. So it's a really good experience, and I can't believe it's taken this long to get here. It's what a journey, right? What a journey. Anyway, it's been really sunny all week, but today, out of nowhere, I don't know if you can see, but it's pissing down with rain and super windy. All my clothes were on the clothes horse outside and they all got blown over. So anyway, I'm on my way to the gym by myself, and then I got to come home, do a bit more work, and then I'm going to jump on my business call, and then I've been invited to one of my girlfriend's birthday dinners tonight. So if I have time, we'll see. I have been waiting for a job to I just want to sign a contract, because this car, I tell you can probably hear it, my voice shaking and the car shakes. So I feel so sick when it's idling I can't put it in gear that much anymore. Like, it keeps getting stuck when I go to put it in gear, which is super dangerous while you're driving. And still just makes terrible noises when I drive. So I have wanted a car for a long time, but I've been a responsible adult and I'm not getting a loan or a car until I have a fucking consistent job with a signed contract. So also my windscreen wipers are fucking shit. So this is gonna be fun. I just bought Shock One tickets for Perth. I think it's the first event that I've seen that's actually advertised from today, which is like middle of June, that they're like selling tickets. So I don't know what that means. They said on the ticket page that, you know, if the government doesn't allow them to go through, that everyone will get refunded. That's pretty ballsy. Like, hey, let's fucking throw an event, pay for everything, like sell tickets, and then we'll just roll the dice and see how it goes. I mean, I'm not mad. I fucking love Shock One. So, yeah, funny enough, Shock One around when it's actually playing in October, it's kind of the first event Adam and I went to together as friends. Like, that's crazy. So, fun fact for you. But I'm so excited to get back to gigs and fucking festivals. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying to like do my makeup. Because I bought my new James Charles palette. I have not worn like foundation in such a long time. I'm just wearing powder and stuff. I haven't done like pretty eyeshadows or anything. I've got like a whole drawer in my makeup counter of like glitter and diamantes that I just want to wear to like pretty festivals. But yeah. So I took both my cats to the vets this morning because they're due for their like needles, their vaccines. Everything was all good. Came home and Nala vomited, so I called the vet and they said that's can be a normal reaction, but just keep an eye on her. If she does diarrhea, then call us back. So she diarrheaed. Nose, what are you doing, honey? Nose? Don't poop in mummy's cupboard. Come on. No, baby, come on. Oh no. You want a toilet? Come on. Come on. If she diarrheas, bring her back. No, come on. There's your toilet. So I rang them and I had to take her back, and they're like, we're gonna monitor her, she has to stay in all day. And I'm just a little bit stressed and upset because I know she's gonna be a little bit traumatized sitting at the vets all day in a cage, and I don't want her to. Honey, you can't sit on the bed, you got diarrhea, bum. Come on. So that's what's happening today. A little bit upsetting, but come on. And I also found out that Miko's 2 little front teeth things are wearing away and causing him pain, so I have to get them removed. So bank account is not gonna like me. Darling, we gotta go. So the vet pretty much said she had pretty much like just a reaction. I don't know if it was an allergic reaction, but oh god, my car. She had a reaction to the vaccine. Her eyes are all red and puffy. Her ears and her head and everything's really itchy. And obviously she diarrheaed and vomited, so they just gave her an antihistamine and then something else to help with the reaction. They said she's going to be a little bit like sleepy and just keep an eye on her. They said that I can leave her in the vet if they want to keep an eye on her, but she said obviously because she's blind and anxious, she'll probably be better off at home with me, and nothing's really going to happen. They just said she should be fine at home, just keep an eye on her breathing, and if she goes to sleep, that's all good, like don't stress. So I feel really sad and worried about it. What are you doing, Bubba? Oh, you still itchy? Look how red your ears are. Red ears. My eyes are a little swollen still. She won't stop twitching and licking because she's itchy. Oh, baby. It's gonna be okay. Gonna swollen your eyes up, Bubba. I know. It's okay. She's been licking all over herself since she got the injection.